Hey everyone, it's Mike with Monkey Fab. This is awkward. This is awkward. It's a bit awkward. I'm kind of done. I'm not done by no means, of course. I mean, there's a million things that need to be done, but as far as like the big stuff, we're done. So I don't know how to make episodes where it's like we're gonna do this or that because we're really not. There's not a lot left to do on the Pontiac. There's a lot left to do, but there's not like an overwhelming amount of things that we need to do to make it run because it's here, it's running, it's frightening. I'm enjoying it so far. I have taken it with me to the gym on mill runs, and it is terrifyingly quick. It's at like about 10 pounds of boost. I basically have, I never showed you guys this, I don't believe. Let me show you what we got now. So what I have here is like an old school boost controller, and it is more boost this way, less boost that way, and basically I just have it turned all the way to where it's just full bypass, so this thing's just dumping all and any pressure out, and this guy's being acculated by the pressure in here. I'm glad it's not hot. I just had this engine running, and it's basically just pushing that thing open at about 10 psi. We do have, yeah, we got this Mac valve. I can't, hopefully you got, yeah, Mac valve. Oh, you notice I'm wearing my sweatshirt. That's because it's like 60 here. It's amazing. Oh, happy day when when you live in Texas and it finally isn't hot as balls outside. So got a cold front in yesterday, and it's brilliant. October's my favorite month of the year. So yeah, we got to install the Mac valve, and it's basically gonna bypass this guy, and we'll put it in here. And we also have to install the 1500cc injectors on the engine, and little things, lots of little things. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna go for a drive. I have two cameras set up. This one is going to be kind of goofy. The white balance is all off, and then once we get the car started, it's going to be really loud in here. But I just want to get some in-car. People like that. I think it's boring as hell, but it'll give you kind of chance to see how I got my tripod bungee corded to the back of the headrest over here, and then I got the suction cup on the window, so if a cop sees me, I'm sure we'll get pulled over. But we got these Monkey Fab products, bam, and we got to take them to the Monkey Fab post office. So we're gonna go ahead and get the laptop fired up. Our auto tune. Start auto tune. Okay. So this guy's going. We're going, and we're going. Going and going. All right. All right now, baby. It's all right now. Driving around, driving the hulks. What I don't like about the auto tune window is I don't get all the gauges that I'd like to have. But that's all right. kind of wet out today, so I don't want to do too many shenanigans because it's wet. I don't want to end up in the ditch. It's got a nice shift, just padow! Cameron did a great job with this transmission. I'm really happy with it. It's the first time I've ever had an automatic in a car that I've you know, built as a project. Manuals are just always so much easier to kind of deal with. It is odd having a transmission without the automatic shift function. I mean, having an automatic transmission without the automatic shift function is a bit peculiar. It takes a little bit of getting used to. But I like it. It's got good torque. I mean, I know the ignition cable is way off from where it should be, especially the LS9 cam, because this tune isn't based off the LS9 cam. It's got lots of weird overlap, I think, and so yeah, it'd be interesting to see it once it's like maybe the difference before and after, like before it's optimized and after it's optimized, and how it feels too. I mean, it feels punchy but a bit lazy. Good run if we can get a clear street, even though it's wet. We'll just have to be careful here, but we'll do some shenanigans once this bus goes by. No bueno. So we weren't really in it all the way at all. But it's fun. I mean, right now we're at 2,000 RPM, 1,500, and just punch it. It's not bad at all. Cheaper than the regular. Gotta love that. Gotta love that. Hello, E85. 37.46 for 15.5 gallons of race fuel. That's pretty cool. You got fuel pressure and uh-oh. So this is RE, the ethanol percentage. Oh yeah, baby, look at that go. Go, 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 go. You're like, go on, keep going, keep. Oh man. 50%, 55%, that's not bad. I'll take 55% for 15 or 30, 37 bucks. It's not too bad. Always a pain getting turned around here, especially at the end of school time. So we might just go this way and then swing around later. hope you guys enjoyed the videos. I'm glad I didn't get pulled over with all my cameras out, and I don't think these are terribly exciting, but somebody might. And so that's why we did it. And you guys get the ride along. There's, you know, like any project cars, it seems like there's some kinks that need to be ironed out, and but it's fun. It's a nice drive. It's a nice, comfortable drive. It's good space. I mean, it really, you know, screams 1970 in here, and I enjoy it. So I'm out in this car just driving around, and it makes me happy. Just have that happy feeling. Smiles per miles, laughs per liter.